Hello and welcome to Logic with Aaliyah. Today we're going to talk about exclusive OR tables. Now in a previous video, I showed you the different symbols that are used for exclusive OR, but there's one I forgot to mention. Exclusive OR is the opposite of a biconditional. A biconditional is logically equivalent to an exclusive NOR, which is the opposite of exclusive OR. And that is how these two are logical contradictory. Just like NAND is a negative AND NOR is a negative OR, exclusive OR is a negative biconditional. So the symbol that I forgot to show you is the tribar with a slash through it. This symbolizes that exclusive OR is a negative biconditional. Alright, let's get to our table. So we've got A exclusive OR B. A XOR B. How many different letters do we have? 2. What is 2 squared? 4. We're going to have 4 rows and 2 columns. Our first column is going to be column A. Our second column is going to be column B. We're going to split A in half, with the first 2 being true and the second 2 being false. We're going to split B into fourths, true, false, true, false. And our third column is going to be A XOR B. So we know from a previous video that biconditionals are true when A and B are the same value, true or false. Exclusive OR is going to be the exact opposite. In fact, when they are the same, exclusive OR is going to be false. And when they're different, exclusive OR is going to be true. The reason why is because when we have an exclusive OR, that means we can only have one or the other, not both.